Meet the one and only Gujju Superman, straight from the bustling streets of Ahmedabad. Watch as he boldly steps into heavy traffic like he's got a force field protecting him. Move over, Man of Steel. This guy thinks he can't be touched by a car. But spoiler alert, real life doesn't come with superpowers. Our dashcam catches the near miss moment that prove even the superheroes have to watch out for traffic. So, if you think you are a Gujju Superman of your city, maybe think twice before playing hero on the road. Stay safe, stay smart, and enjoy this dashcam exclusive.